how to fix Phantom Wallet swap failed error. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Phantom Wallet swap failed error. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, make sure you have enough of the network's native token to cover transaction fees. For example, if you're swapping on Solana, you'll need enough SOL in your wallet for the network fee. Next, check and adjust your slippage settings. If the price changes more than your slippage tolerance, the swap will fail. Try increasing the slippage slightly and attempt to swap again. Another reason for the error could be liquidity issues. To fix this, click on Browse at the bottom right and select a different provider like Jupiter or another trusted exchange to complete your swap. Also, make sure you don't have frozen or restricted tokens in your wallet. Frozen tokens can prevent successful swaps. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the swap failed error in Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.